And just another tip, you got this belt, also like another belt tensioner for the secondary sprocket belt system. So it's good to take off these two Allens, which is it is a 5. So we got ourselves a 5 hex bit in order to be able to take this guy out here. So you have more mobility in order for you guys to be able to move the head. And it's always a really nice thing to have Ziploc bags and just write something on there. Like, I'm putting driver side cylinder head bolts for top of camshaft. But at the same time, I know that these pieces that are going to go back here, where they're going to go to, so they work out perfect. Alright.